Hello, superstar. Welcome to an interesting math class. Today we are going to be diving into lesson 37. Lesson what? 37. And it says that I can relate subtraction from 9 to its matching facts. I can what? Relate subtraction from 9 to its matching facts. Good. Are you ready? Alright. Now we're going to look at what is called choral counting. That means you're going to count along, alternating between the regular way and the Satan way. I believe by now you know what the regular way and the Satan way is, right? Okay, so let's begin from 12. 12, 10, 3, 14, 10, 5, 16, 10, 7, and so on. Okay, what will be the next? 18, then 10, 9, and so on. It's so simple. Okay, all right, here we have the 5 group flash. Now you're going to say the number when I snap. And what are you going to say? The number that is 10 minus the number flashed. For example, I have 1 here. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. So I will say 9 because 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9. What about this? 5 because 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Very good. What about this one? 2 because 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, let me snap again. Wow, this is 6. So 10 minus 6 will give us 4. Very good. Let's snap again. 8 because 10 minus 2 is 8. Then the next 1 because I have 9 dots here. So 10 minus 9 is going to be 1. The next is 6 because 10 minus 4 will give us 6. Very good. This is fun. How about this? 3. Very good. How about this? 7. Is what? 7. Now what about this one? This is 10 dots. 10 minus 10 will give us what? 0. Yes, 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing left. So this is 0 because 10 minus 10 is 0. Alright, now these are partners to 10. Alright, that means these are numbers that when you add them together, they will give you 10, like 9 plus 1, 1 plus 9, and so on. Alright, all these numbers come together to give you 10. Okay. Alright, over to application problem. Now I want to read a very interesting story for you. Listen carefully because the question follows. Now they said, there are 10 beads on the floor. A student picked up some of the beads. They didn't tell us how many. And also left some on the floor. Alright, he left some on the floor. They didn't tell us how many. Now they said, write a number bond and the number sentence that would match this story. Write a what? A number bond. So I'm going to write my number bond. Alright, or draw my number bond. As you can see. Now what will be in the hole? That will be 10 because that's the total number of beads on the floor initially. So I'll write my 10. Do you see that? And now, they didn't tell us how many he picked or how many he left on the floor. So let's say, okay, he picked 5. For example, let's work with 5. So he picked 5. Now, how many will be left on the floor? That means what will be in the other part of this number bond. Do you see that? If I count on from 5 to 10, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That means he left how many on the floor? 5. He left 5 beads on the floor. He left 5 beads on the floor. He left 5 beads on the floor. Wow, this is so interesting. Alright. Alright, now it's time for partners. Partner time. Are you ready? Good. Now we have 10 minus 5, and the story follows. It said, partner A, use your beads to solve. And show partner B the number sentence and number bond. Use your beads to solve and show partner B the number sentence and number bond. Explain as you go. So I have how many beads here? Let's count. Partner A has how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Partner A has 10 beads. Now they told partner A to solve using his beads. Alright, and what do we have? 10 minus 5. So if I cross out 5, let me see the 5 whites. You see that? If I cross out the 5 whites, how many is left? The 5 reds. Do you see that? Good. So he has 5 beads left. Now it's going to show partner B the number sentence and the number bond. So let's draw the number bond and see and show it to partner B. Ready? Here is the 10, which is the whole, and here is 5, which we just crossed out now. And how many is left? 5 red beads. Yes. Very good. So you have been able to show partner B the number bond. What about the number sentence? 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Whoa, clap for yourself. Very good. This is fun. Alright. The next, 9 minus 5. They say partner B, take off 1 bead and put it behind you to have 9. So he has 9 beads now. Then use your beads to solve this 9 minus 5 and show partner A number sentence and bond. You see that? It's very simple. They said 9 minus what? 5. That means I'm going to cross out how many? 5. I'm going to cross out 5. Whoo! I'm done crossing out 5. I crossed out 4 white beads and I took 1 red bead, alright, to join them. Now, how many red beads or how many beads are left? That will be, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads left. How many beads left? 4 beads left. Very good. So what's the number bond? 9 as the whole. The first part will be the 5, which was given to us. And how many is left? 4. Very good. 4. Yes. So this is my number bond. Very good. Over to the next. Wow, they said compare your bracelets. Now bracelet simply means or looks like beads. Alright, so they said compare your bracelets, your number sentences and number bonds. Now how can partner A's work help you solve partner B's work? Now look at this carefully. Partner A has 5 red and 5 white beads. Partner B has 4 red beads on one side and 4 white beads with 1 red bead on the other side. Now look at the number bonds given. Which of them do you think belongs to partner A? Will it be the one that has 10 as the whole or the one that has 9 as the whole? Very good. It's going to be the one that has what? 10 as the whole. This is for partner A. And this is for partner B. Now remember they said, how can partner A's work help you solve partner B's work? Partner A is 5 red, 5 white. Partner B is 4 red on one side, 4 white on one side, and 1 red. Now partner A's work can help you solve partner B's work. How? Because if you look at partner A's work very well, he took out 5 beads to one side. That means it's crossing out 5 beads. Now look at partner B's work. He did the same thing. So that was the method partner B used to solve his own. because partner A took out 5, partner B is also taking out 5. Very good. Alright, now over to the next. They said try this. 9 minus 1. Partner A, listen carefully. Partner A, remove one B and place it behind you. That means it's having 9 now. Partners, use your B's to solve. Show the number sentence and number bond. Now see if you can figure out the other number sentence to match your story or to match a number bond. Alright, now I have 9 minus 1. I'm going to cross out how many? 1 from my 9 bits. So let me cross out. Yes, I've crossed out 1 from my 9 bits. Now they said, how many is left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So that means if I'm to draw my number bond or write my number sentence, it's going to look like this. Number bond first will be 9 as the whole, then 1 as the first part, because that's what they gave us to solve with, and our answer is what? 8. Good. You see that? Now what about the number sentence? Becomes 9 minus how many? 1 equals to, what's our answer? 8. Very good. Very good. Is it hard? No. So simple. Alright, over to this. They said write all the other number bonds with 9 as the total or whole, and the subtraction sentences that describes each number bond. Now what tools can you use to help you do this? It's very simple. They want to draw number bonds with what? 9 as the total or as the whole. So let me pick a number bond. Let's say I want to draw 9 as the whole. Then the first part will be, let me say 1 and 8. Yes, because 1 and 8 will give us 9. Alright, these are partners of 9. Now what will be the subtraction sentence for this? It's very simple. You put the whole first. You put the what? Whole first, which is 9 minus, pick any part. You can say minus 1 or you can say minus 8. Let's say minus 1 equals to what? The other part, which is what? 8. It's so simple. I'm done. See, this is my number sentence matches with my what? Number bond. It goes with my number bond. Now let's pick another example. Let's say 9 is the whole. Yes, of course. Then the first part, let's say 4, and the other part, let's say 5. Yes, 5. So what will be the number sentence that will go with this number bond? So starting from your whole, don't forget 9 minus any of the parts, let's say 5 now, equals to the other part, which is what? 4. Clap for yourself. That was so much fun. Very good. Okay, so this is your problem set, alright, which you're going to do for me. Alright, it says solve the set, cross off on the 5 groups. Write the related subtraction sentence that would have the same number bond. It's so simple. The first one here is 9 minus 8. Alright, if you cross out 8, how many will be left? 1. If you cross out 8 from 9, 1 will be left. And I think that's basically all you're going to do on this page. Okay, so that's going to be all for today's class. Alright, so the problem sets, wow, they're so simple to do, just like what we did in class. Alright, well, I'm waiting for your submission. So okay, alright, so that's going to be all for today. It's been an amazing time with you. I'll see you in another class. Bye.